As part of its objective, OpenAI is committed to developing AI technology and making it available and advantageous to everybody. They are launching the GPT-4o, the newest model, today, and plan to give up more sophisticated tools and intelligence to ChatGPT. The chatbot's interface and the underlying models have changed significantly since OpenAI first introduced ChatGPT in late 2022. GPT-4o, the replacement for GPT-4, which debuted in March 2023, was made available in May 2024. GPT-4o Small followed in July 2024. OpenAI claims that GPT-4o, their newest flagship model, enhances its text, voice, and vision capabilities, while offering GPT-4 level intelligence at a significantly faster speed. In terms of comprehending and debating the photographs you share, GPT-4o is now far superior to any other model. To translate a menu, for instance, or to acquire recommendations or information about the significance and history of a dish, you can now snap a photo of it and speak with GPT-4o. More natural, real-time voice and video communication using ChatGPT will be possible in the future thanks to advancements. Consider displaying a live sporting event to ChatGPT and asking it to walk you through the regulations. OpenAI states that in the upcoming weeks, they want to introduce a new voice mode with these enhanced features in an alpha version, giving Plus subscribers early access before going nationwide. GPT-4o's language capabilities are improved in terms of both quality and speed to enable sophisticated AI to be more widely available and beneficial. Additionally, ChatGPT now supports over 50 languages for sign-up and login, user preferences, and other features. Opens in a new window. GPT-4o will soon be available for enterprise subscribers, and we are now rolling it out to ChatGPT Plus and team users. We are also beginning to put out use limits for ChatGPT free today. For Plus subscribers, the message limit can be up to 5 times higher than for regular users, and for team and enterprise users, it is much more still. Supplying greater intelligence and cutting-edge instruments at no cost. One of their goals is to provide as many individuals with access to cutting-edge AI tools as they can. ChatGPT is used by over 100 million individuals each week. In the upcoming weeks, they will begin to roll out more sophisticated tools and intelligence to ChatGPT free customers. Users of ChatGPT Free will now be able to access services like these while utilizing GPT-4. Obtain GPT-4 intelligence level experience. Obtain responses from the web and the model. Opens in a new window. Make charts and analyze data. Opens in a new window. Talk about the pictures you take and upload files. Opens in a separate window to get help. Authoring, analyzing, or summarizing. Learn how to utilize the GPT store and GPTs. Create a more beneficial memory experience. Depending on demand and usage, the amount of messages free users can send using GPT-4o will have a cap. ChatGPT will automatically convert to GPT 3.5 when the limit is reached, allowing users to carry on with their talks. We're also releasing a new ChatGPT desktop program for macOS, which is intended to work seamlessly with anything you do on your computer, and is available to both free and premium customers. By using the keyboard shortcut Option plus Space, you can ask ChatGPT a question right away. Within the app, you can also snap and share screenshots. ChatGPT now allows you to have voice chats right from your computer. Voice mode was accessible right from the start, and GPT-4o's additional audio and video features will be added soon. Tap the headphone icon in the desktop app's lower right corner to begin a voice discussion, whether you want to debate a topic, prepare for an interview, or come up with fresh ideas for your business. The macOS app is now being sent out to Plus members, and it will also be made more broadly accessible in the coming weeks. A Windows version is something we want to deliver later this year as well. A more straightforward design for ChatGPT. We're launching ChatGPT with a fresh aesthetic that aims to be friendlier and more conversational. A new message style, home screen, and other changes will be apparent. For GPT-4o Small, Azure AI provides industry-leading performance and flexibility. Throughout the Azure OpenAI service, Azure AI is continuing to invest in increasing the workload efficiency of AI. This month, GPT-4o Small becomes available on our batch service in Azure AI. By utilizing off-peak capacity, Batch provides high-throughput projects with a 24-hour turnaround at a 50% discount rate. This is only possible because Azure AI powers Microsoft and allows us to offer off-peak capacity to our clients. This month, we are also offering GPT-4o Micro Fine-Tuning, which enables users to further tailor the model for their unique use case and situation to deliver outstanding quality and value at previously unheard-of speeds. We lowered the hosting costs by as much as 43% in response to our announcement last month that we would be moving to token-based charging for training. When combined with our affordable inferencing rate, Azure OpenAI Service fine-tuned deployments are the most economical option for clients with production workloads. We're thrilled to witness the innovation from businesses like Vodafone, Customer Agent Solution, the University of Sydney, AI Assistants, and GigXR, AI Virtual Patients, with more than 53,000 customers turning to Azure AI to provide groundbreaking experiences at incredible scale. Using Azure OpenAI Service, more than half of the Fortune 500 are developing their apps. We're forward to seeing what our clients do using Azure AI's GPT-4o Mini. How do GPT-4o and GPT-4 compare? OpenAI created two sophisticated generative AI models, GPT-4 and GPT-4o. That's the letter O for Omni, specifically for use in the ChatGPT interface. Both models can participate in interactive back-and-forth discussions while maintaining memory and context to guide future responses. They are trained to produce natural-sounding text in response to users' instructions. By evaluating the models in ChatGPT, reading OpenAI's technical documentation and instructional materials, and examining user evaluations on Reddit, tech blogs, and the OpenAI Developer Forum, TechTarget Editorial compared these products. What sets GPT-4o apart from GPT-4? GPT-4o and GPT-4 are comparable in a lot of respects. These are sophisticated OpenAI models that can retain information, analyze uploaded documents, and see and hear. Each has a knowledge cutoff date in late 2023, October for GPT-4o, December for GPT-4, and a context window of 128,000 tokens. Multimodality. Multiple data kinds, including text, images, and audio, can be processed by multimodal AI models. GPT-4 and GPT-4o are both somewhat multimodal. Regardless of whether they are using GPT-4 or GPT-4o, users can generate and upload photos, as well as engage in voice chat through the ChatGPT interface. However, one of the main distinctions between GPT-4o and GPT-4 is how the two models handle multimodality, which differs greatly between the two. GPT-4 is a large language model, LLM, with no built-in functionality for handling pictures, audio, or video because it was primarily created for text processing. To process non-text input via the ChatGPT web interface, GPT-4 must make calls to additional OpenAI models, such as the speech recognition model Whisper or the image generator DALL-E. As the name Omni suggests, GPT-4o was built with multimodality in mind from the ground up. All inputs and outputs are processed by the same neural network, as we trained a single new model end-to-end across text, vision, and audio. OpenAI executives stated in a blog post announcing the launch. Because of its inherent multimodality, GPT-4o outperforms GPT-4 in jobs requiring a variety of data kinds, such image analysis. For instance, at OpenAI's GPT-4o showcase on May 13, 2024, business executives employed the technology to assess a live video of a user completing an arithmetic problem and deliver verbal feedback in real time. Does GPT-4o outperform GPT-4? Generally speaking, GPT-4o is superior to GPT-4. The GPT-4o is currently referred to by OpenAI as its flagship model, and many customers will find its increased speed, cheaper pricing, and multimodal features enticing. Nevertheless, some users might still like GPT-4, particularly in professional settings. GPT-4 has been out for more than a year, so many developers and companies are already familiar with it, and it has undergone extensive testing. For critical and extensively used applications where reliability may be more important than having the newest features or the lowest costs, that kind of stability can be vital. What do ChatGPT users need to know about the launch of GPT-4o? There will be several significant changes for users when GPT-4o is made to the new ChatGPT default version. As was already indicated, one of the biggest enhancements is the availability of multimodal capabilities. All users will eventually be able to construct bespoke GPTs and communicate using ChatGPT via text, photos, audio, and video, functionalities that were previously restricted or unavailable. Given that many of the once premium services are now available in the free tier, these developments may make the Plus subscription less alluring to certain users. However, greater usage limitations and quicker response times are still features of expensive plans, which may be enough to sway heavy users or companies that want dependability in frequent, high-volume engagements. Amid all the excitement surrounding GPT-4o, many in the AI world are already anticipating GPT-5, which is anticipated later this summer. Please use the like and subscribe buttons for additional videos if you liked this one. Don't forget to switch on the notification bell to receive notifications when new videos are uploaded.